Welcome back to an unboxing video. Yeah, it's been a while since I did one, and this will be probably quite boring because I expect the parcel here to contain basically nothing, mostly air. But I'm still a little bit exhausted from that RS485 video series. Link to the first part here and in the description. That was a card, of course. So, bubble wrap, and this can go somewhere else. And yeah, let's have a closer look. Ooh, I don't like the model at all. It's a RØDE LAV headset. A headset style mount for lavalier microphones. And that guy here looks AI generated. He isn't, but yeah, sorry. And it's, can you read that? Large. On the other side, yeah, built-in cable management, universal ergonomical fit, yeah, we'll see. Compatible with RØDE lavalier and smartLav microphones. Size large. I won't read everything here on the box because it doesn't really make sense. And here's the first bummer. This has obviously been opened before. Well, let's see. Yeah, that's it. That's the whole content. Basically, some bent wire. Yeah, there's a user manual. We'll have a look at that. And that's the whole thing. That's it. So that's one side of the manual. The important part is here. These things come actually in 3 different sizes: junior, medium and large. And large is for adults, junior is for really small children, I guess, and medium, yeah, for youth or whatever. And I, as you saw, have the large version. Yeah, on the back you have some instructions how you connect your existing lavalier microphone to that get-up, but we will do that live in a second. I might sound a little bit different now because I'm using the Shure lavalier mic that I never really liked. Card here, link in the description. Anyway, that's my RØDE lavalier without the pop filter. And this should go. It would be nice if the cable would be straight, but it isn't. That goes here into that clip. That's it. And we can reattach the pop filter. And I'm looking at the same time at the manual. It has to be good for something, because now we have to thread that. Like though. And then it goes here in the back. The cable goes into another clip. Yeah, makes sense. We can make that a little bit shorter, I guess. shall I put it on or not? Or should we leave that for the review? I'll put it on. Yeah, so first impressions, you almost don't feel it. It's obviously a little bit wobbly. Don't do that when you're filming. Makes probably interesting noises right now. But yeah, it's light. You can't see it, almost can't see it. And you can wear glasses over it, no problem. I guess bending the wire to make it really fit your head is something you have to do. It seems for me, I have a big head, but the large one seems to be a bit large. I don't know. It's better it's too large than too small, then it won't fit. But otherwise, yeah, I have to also reinvent my cable management. But yeah, sorry, boring video, I know. But yeah, well, we'll see. Anyway, after I used that for a while and I set it up properly, I'll do a review under the how I shoot my YouTube video stuff. Till then, bye!